Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to practice English conversation in a cafe. Listen carefully and repeat the sentences after me. This conversation will help you improve your listening and speaking skills. Let's begin. Wow, this cafe looks really cozy. Yes, I like the atmosphere here. It feels very relaxing. I agree. The lights are warm and the music is calm. Let's find a comfortable table. Emily: I like that table near the window. Good choice. We can watch people walking outside. Repeat. This cafe looks cozy. This cafe looks cozy. The atmosphere is relaxing. The atmosphere is relaxing. The menu looks interesting. There are many choices. Yes, I see coffee, tea, desserts and sandwiches. I think I want something sweet today. Me too. Maybe a dessert and a coffee. I'm thinking about chocolate cake. That sounds delicious. Repeat. The menu looks interesting. The menu looks interesting. There are many choices. There are many choices. What kind of coffee do you usually drink? I usually drink cappuccino. It's my favorite. I prefer latte. It's smoother and a little softer. Sometimes I also drink iced coffee. I like iced coffee in summer. Repeat. I usually drink cappuccino. I usually drink cappuccino. I prefer latte. I prefer latte. Good afternoon. What would you like to order? I'd like a latte and a slice of chocolate cake, please. I'll have a cappuccino and a cheesecake. Of course, I'll bring your order in a few minutes. Repeat. I'd like a latte, please. I'd like a latte, please. I'll have a cappuccino. I'll have a cappuccino. This place is really nice. Yes, it's peaceful and comfortable. I enjoy sitting in cafes and talking. Me too. It's a great way to relax. Do you come to cafes often? Yes, especially on weekends. Repeat. This place is really nice. This place is really nice. It's peaceful and comfortable. It's peaceful and comfortable. How was your day today? It was quite busy, actually. Really? What happened? I had several meetings and many emails. That sounds stressful. Yes, but now I can finally relax. Repeat. My day was busy. My day was busy. Now I can relax. Now I can relax. Here is your latte, cappuccino, and desserts. Thank you very much. Everything looks amazing. The chocolate cake smells wonderful. The cheesecake looks delicious. Repeat. The cake smells wonderful. The cake smells wonderful. The cheesecake looks delicious. The cheesecake looks delicious. This cake is incredibly good. Let me try a small piece. Of course, here you go. Wow, it's very rich and creamy. I love desserts like this. Me too. Repeat. This cake is very good. This cake is very good. It tastes delicious. It tastes delicious. I think cafes are wonderful places to meet friends. I agree. They are cozy and relaxing. You can talk, read, or work on your laptop. Yes, many people like to work in cafes. Repeat. Cafes are relaxing places. Cafes are relaxing places. I like spending time in cafes. I like spending time in cafes. Do you usually choose cafes like this one? Yes, I prefer small cafes with a calm atmosphere. What about you? I enjoy places where I can sit for a long time without feeling rushed. That's true. Some cafes feel too busy and noisy. Do you ever study or work in cafes? Sometimes I find it easier to concentrate here than at home. Really? I usually get distracted when there are many people around. For me, a little background noise actually helps me focus. Do you like trying new desserts when you visit cafes? Absolutely. I always look for something unusual on the menu. That's interesting. I usually order the same thing every time. Maybe today is a good day to try something different. If you could visit a cafe in any country, where would you go? I would love to visit a cafe in Paris. The cafe culture there is famous. That sounds amazing. I think I'd choose Italy. Italian coffee is definitely worth trying. Are you the type of person who needs coffee every morning? Honestly, yes. My day doesn't start properly without it. I understand that feeling. Coffee sometimes feels like a small ritual. What kind of conversations do you usually have in cafes? Mostly about travel, ideas, and future plans. That sounds much more interesting than small talk. I agree. Good conversations make the coffee taste better. Do you know any other cafes like this in the city? There is one near the park that has a beautiful view. That sounds lovely. Maybe we should go there next time. I'd like that. What helps you relax after a long day? Sitting in a quiet cafe with a good drink. That's actually a great way to unwind. Sometimes simple things are the most enjoyable. Do you think cafes are good places for practicing English? Definitely. You can listen to conversations and learn new expressions. That's true. It feels more natural than studying from a book. I'm really glad we came here today. Me too. It turned out to be a great afternoon. Next time we should invite more friends. That would make the conversation even more interesting. I think I'll try the chocolate mousse today. Great choice. I heard it's one of the best desserts here. Yes, I love chocolate, so it must be perfect. Don't forget to savor it slowly. Repeat aloud. I'll try the chocolate mousse today. This place has such a warm atmosphere. I agree. The lighting and music make it very cozy, and the smell of fresh coffee is amazing. It really feels like a little escape from the busy city. Repeat aloud. This cafe has a warm atmosphere. What are your plans for the weekend? I might visit a new art gallery. How about you? I want to explore another cafe and maybe read a book. Sounds like a perfect plan. Repeat aloud. I want to explore another cafe this weekend. I had such a nice time today. Me too. Let's do this again soon. Definitely. Next time we can try that cafe by the river. Repeat aloud. I had a nice time today. Thanks for joining our cafe conversation. Don't forget to listen again and repeat the sentences. Subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and practice English with us every day. See you in the next video. Repeat aloud. Practice English with us every day.